Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're just going to be playing some Turtle Simulator. Hi Daddy. Y'all be in the video? Apparently my dad doesn't want to be in the video. The reason why I haven't been posting for like the past 3 days is because I've been waiting for my camera to get here, and yeah. Daddy, can you get my camera so I could show them my new camera? That's my dad. I know. So we're just gonna be playing some Turtle Simulator. I don't know how to spell. Turtle Simulator. Simulator. Wait, what was it called? I think it was that. Not so sure. Sarisa Plays did this, and it looks fun, so I decided to make a video on it. Yeah, Turtle Simulator. So guys, this is my new camera that I'll be doing some videos with. Yeah, it's a pretty nice camera. The only trouble is I don't have a mic, and it also comes with this remote right here. So yeah, that's my new camera, guys. Alright, now let's get on to Turtle Simulator. I think it might be this one? Yeah, I think so. Hold on, guys. I need to scoot my chair forward. And guys, we got a new Doom buggy, which I rode and got to drive, and it was awesome. Oh, wait, is there any codes on right here? Free code shell. All right. Now enter. Whoa, guys, look at me now. I'm so big. I don't know if I wanted to do that. I regret doing that. Pow, powie, pow, 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 pow. Sorry, just saying record again. Guys, I'm so massive. I killed him. Let's go. That was my goal. Look at my stinking chart. I shouldn't have done that 3 times size, but I'll probably already be here. Like, I don't know, a minute later in the recording. Your current size multiplied times 1. Rebirth. In order to rebirth. Oh no! Guys, get my size! This is awesome so far, guys. Guys, comment down below what I should name you guys. Get Sheldon. Shop. What does that do? I don't know. Up the game. Can I just... Thank you. Yeah, something so your turtle shell goes up. It's just a suggestion. Cause you ain't punching. Oh. Your shell's just probably too big for ya. I'm gonna try to kill this guy, guys. Oh, he just left the game. Or rebirth. I think he might have rebirthed. He rebirthed. To get bigger. But I think I'm more master. He's stinking party master. Wait, how much is next rebirth? I don't know if you guys saw, but like, I'm small now. My video's gonna be me riding the dune buggy. Just saying. Well, look at my eyes, guys. Eyes are awesome. Where's that guy's shell? Sir, sir. How do I get? Oh, I want a better stinking shell. Wait, how much do I paper? Size 6. Stop it. It doesn't work on this. Okay, guys, I'm gonna have to see you guys next time.